Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you in this video how to embed or link to PDFs from a web page. Now, PDF is a portable document format. Okay, PDF, portable document format. It's designed for doing just this, for being available online. One of the cool things about PDFs is that they are scalable. Okay, they're actually based on vector graphics. So as you make them bigger or smaller, you shouldn't see any change like you can with images sometimes. You can see pixels. You shouldn't get that with a PDF. They're designed to be blown up and looked at large. Okay. Now, the way I'm going to do this, I'm going to go to my website here, and I'm going to put it into this science work page. So I'm going to edit that with WordPad, like so. And here's the code to embed that document. Okay, but I don't want that document, so I'm going to get rid of it. So your first option is to, if you want to embed something from your Google Drive, you do this. So, Google Drive, we find the document we want to embed, we do a right click, and in fact we can just double click actually, so just double click, and then we click this button here, no I'm sorry, this button over here, pop out, and then we get the option to embed it in an iframe. Click this button here, embed item. Okay, so we're going to embed this code, control copy, and I'm going to go and paste that right in there. Okay, don't forget to save your work before you test it. And now I want to open up Science Work with Google Chrome. Let's see how it looks. This is my iframe in Content 1. There we go, and that's pretty nice. Now, if I wanted to be able to see the whole map, I could do the following. So I go back to my code, and I find the parameters for height and width. I'm going to make width, in fact no, I'm going to make height 100%. No, I'll make width 100%. And what that will do is then it will fill the div, and it will take up half the screen. Okay, so that's width 100%, and if you look at the height here, we can see about half of the map. So I think to show the whole map, I'm going to need about 2 and a bit times my current height. So I go back over here, height 480, so 2 and a bit times that is about 1,000 pixels. Save it off, check it. There you go. The only disadvantage now is that I can't see my footer, but there it is, the footer is still there. Okay, so that's one way. Now this document here is embedded. This document here is not embedded. Okay, so this one I click it, I click the thumbnail, and Chrome displays the PDF itself. Now this method is more difficult to implement because in order to do this, there's a couple of things you have to do. First thing is you have to create this thumbnail image. So it's a reduced size image of the image called a thumbnail. Now you could also use the actual big image and just shrink it down by setting height and width attributes, but it will take longer for the page to load. So let me show you where this image is in my directory. So here's my website, and cutting poster, this is where it is. Now technically it should be inside resources. The reason it's in the root directory here was to make the HTML simpler. So here we are. This is the div with the cutting poster in it. Now this is the bit to look at. So we've got a link tag here linking to the cutting poster file itself, and then I've got my source cutting poster thumbnail PNG. Okay, notice I've had to specify a relative file path here because cutting poster thumbnail is not in the root directory. When I say root, I mean the same directory as the web page. cutting poster PDF is, but cutting poster thumbnail is inside resources, inside images. There it is. Okay, so that's the thumbnail. That's the name we'll use for a small picture. It should really be about the size of my thumb. And then we click that, and when we click it, we activate this tag here, which links to cutting poster PDF. Now, I'm just going to do something just to refresh your memories about paths, file paths. So I'm going to take cutting poster, I'm going to copy it to resources, move it into resources. Okay, and now I will need to change the href of my link tag, the href attribute. So now it's inside a folder called resources. We need to specify the file path like that. Control save, save your work. Refresh the page with F5. And there we go. Notice these iframes, they do take a while to load, but they're worth it. It's a very nice, easy way to embed documents. Remember that any changes you make on this PDF here in Word will also be, in Google Docs, will immediately be displayed in your portfolio. It's pretty amazing, actually. Click this, and we're going to get a static PDF displayed. Now, this is being displayed to you by the PDF viewer built into Chrome. Okay, so it's great to have that facility, but it is far, far easier to just embed a PDF from Google Chrome, from Google Docs using the method I showed you earlier. Okay, I hope that was useful. You've seen two methods there for getting PDF documents, portable document format documents, into your portfolios. Good luck. Thank you for watching.